Imagine a world where blindness caused by retinal damage could become a thing of the past. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's closer to reality than you might think. Welcome back to Vision Wellness Zone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial retinas and bionic vision. For individuals facing severe vision loss due to conditions like retinitis, pigmentosa, or macular degeneration, the idea of regaining sight is a powerful dream. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to make this dream a reality by developing incredible prosthetic devices that aim to bypass damaged retinal cells and send visual information directly to the brain. It's a truly groundbreaking field, and we're going to explore how it works. Think of your eye like a sophisticated camera. The retina, at the back of your eye, is the film that captures light and turns it into electrical signals that your brain interprets as images. But what happens when this film gets damaged? In many cases, the photoreceptor cells, the tiny light sensors, stop working correctly. This can lead to significant vision loss or even complete blindness. Now, this is where artificial retinas come in. These aren't like replacing the entire eye. Instead, they are tiny electronic devices, often smaller than a grain of rice, that are surgically implanted into or near the retina. These devices contain microelectrodes that can be stimulated by light. Imagine wearing special glasses, equipped with a small camera. This camera captures the visual scene and converts it into electrical signals. These signals are then wirelessly transmitted to the implanted artificial retina. The microelectrodes on the device then stimulate the remaining healthy nerve cells in the retina. These cells, in turn, send signals through the optic nerve to the brain, which interprets these signals as a form of vision. It's not perfect, and the vision provided isn't the same as natural sight. Early devices often produce a more pixelated or black and white image. Think of it like seeing the world through an early video game. However, the technology is advancing rapidly, with newer devices offering improved resolution and even some color perception in some cases. One of the biggest hurdles in developing truly effective bionic vision is the sheer complexity of the natural retina. It has millions of photoreceptor cells, all intricately connected. Mimicking this level of detail with artificial devices is incredibly challenging. Another misconception is that these devices can restore perfect vision overnight. While the progress is remarkable, it's a gradual process. Individuals with artificial retinas often need extensive training to learn how to interpret the new visual information they receive. It's like learning to see in a whole new way. The exciting news is that the field is constantly evolving. Researchers are exploring various approaches to improve artificial retinas. This includes developing devices with a higher density of microelectrodes to create sharper images. They're also working on more biocompatible materials to ensure the long-term safety and effectiveness of these implants. Furthermore, advancements in gene therapy are being explored in conjunction with artificial retinas. The idea is that gene therapy could potentially slow down or even halt the progression of retinal degeneration, preserving more healthy cells for the artificial retina to work with. Another promising avenue is the development of fully wireless and even smaller implantable devices. making the surgery less invasive and potentially improving the user experience. Think about future devices that might even integrate artificial intelligence to better process and enhance the visual information before it reaches the brain. The key takeaway here is hope. While we're not yet at a point where artificial retinas can fully restore natural vision, they represent a monumental leap forward for individuals who would otherwise live in darkness. These devices are offering a chance to perceive light, shapes, and even navigate their surroundings more independently. So, we've explored the fascinating science behind artificial retinas and bionic vision. These incredible prosthetic devices work by bypassing damaged photoreceptor cells and stimulating the remaining healthy retinal neurons, sending visual information to the brain. While challenges remain in replicating the complexity of natural vision, ongoing research and development are continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This field holds immense promise for improving the lives of millions affected by severe retinal damage. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Let me know in the comments what other eye health topics you'd like to learn about. Thanks for watching.